Bonjour, bienvenue. So again, we are here. Oh, I forgot to introduce myself. Well, you know it already. AT Khoj. AT Khoj. So today we are going to have a very important topic, that is family. Without a family, we cannot consider our world. Okay, family is just around us. So today we are going to get some family words. And family, what we call family in French, la famille. Please, la famille. First of all, family start with parents. So how we would say that? La parent. Okay, la parent. And in family, there are what? Relations. So that is the parent. That will be the parent. Okay, and have a look over the list of words, family words. Okay, so first word is le parent. Second word is the parent. Okay. Now next is le grand-parent, grandfather. Okay, the grand-parent. Okay, and now the fourth word is la mère, and then le père. Fille is girl and fils son. Okay, now take the next one. Boy. How we call boy? Oh, that's written here. Garçon. Garçon. Le garçon. Please repeat. Le garçon. Le garçon. Right? Okay. And what is the next one? Ah, again, fear. So, la fille means girl and la fille means daughter also. Okay? And now we are going to have la femme. La femme is the woman. Okay? La femme. L'homme is man. L'homme. Okay? So here we have learned some family words, and I would say I would tell you to repeat it and revise it once. So here we go. So let's start from beginning. Start. So what's the first one? Parent, le parent, des parents, les grands-parents, and then la mère, le père, la fille, le fils, le garçon, la fille, yes, la femme, le frère, la sœur, the brother, sister. Okay, and now how we would say uncle? Uncle is l'oncle. Can you try it? L'oncle. And auntie is the aunt. La tante. Now here we have learned these words, and it's up to you to practice up to what level? But at the end of the session and of this video, I would suggest you to repeat it once. Great. And now, at the last, as usually we do that activity that I'm like from the list, you have to find the missing word. Okay, so are you ready to find out the missing word? So now find paro, le paro. Okay, now from this list, garçon. Well, I think it's getting pretty difficult because the words were banned. I mean, but pay attention. I think you're gonna find. And in this, great. Try it once. Lum man. Okay, so actually this is a way through which you can improve your vocabulary and you can get the word and see. Have to watch it again. That only you are going to keep these words in your mind. Okay, so keep watching, learning and practicing. Okay, and do watch this video again. Au revoir.